So on to West Asia now. Israel promised a response to the missiles that Iran fired into its airspace recently. Few expected before Yom Kippur ends late Saturday. Iran has promised widespread destruction if Israel attacks, and Gulf nations are lobbying the United States to stop Israel from attacking Iran's oil sites because they worry it could lead to attacks on their own by Tehran's proxies.
Israel's military said that 2 UN peacekeepers were wounded by an Israeli strike near their watchtower in South Lebanon on Friday. The Israeli Defense Force on its part acknowledged firing at an immediate threat near the UN position in Lebanon and pledged to carry out a thorough review. US Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin urged his counterpart in Israel to ensure the safety of UNIFIL forces in Lebanon. Austin, on social media platform X, urged ensuring the safety of UNIFIL forces and coordinating efforts to pivot from military operations to a diplomatic pathway as soon as feasible. In Lebanon, Israel has further ordered evacuation of more southern Lebanese towns due to increased Hezbollah activities. The head of the UN Agency for Palestinian Refugees, UNRWA, Filipe Lazzarini, met with Lebanon's Parliament Speaker Nabi Berri in Beirut. Iranian Parliament Speaker Mohammad Bagher Ghalibaf on Saturday visited one of the sites of the Israeli airstrikes that hit central Beirut. The strikes hit the Lebanese capital on Thursday in the evening, killing 22 and wounding over 100.
I am particularly carrying a message from Supreme Leader for the Lebanese people with assurances that in these difficult conditions, the Islamic Republic of Iran shall stand with the Lebanon's nation and government and the resistance in all areas.
Iran's Parliament Speaker Mohammad Bagher Ghalibaf also met with his Lebanese counterpart Nabi Berri in Beirut. In northern Gaza, hundreds of Palestinians residing were seen fleeing the north on Saturday with their belongings. Meanwhile, UN organizations and some other countries are rushing to send support and supplies to Lebanon.
The hospitals are in dire need of drugs to replenish all the stocks were used this last 2 weeks. This week, a total of 67 metric tons of such health goods. This will be able to serve up to 700,000 people for a period of 3 months, but naturally more are required for other type of disease.
In a show of solidarity, Qatar and France joined hands by sending aid through military aircraft, saying that the best kind of support that the world could provide is to help end the war. Bureau Report, DD India.